What is up, everybody? It's a good day today. It is Saturday. Worked a little bit, took a little nap, and now look at that. Look at that truck. She is not up for sale. But today, stay tuned. We are going to take this Blazer and we're gonna go see how the suspension is, and honestly, if the four-wheel drive even works. I don't even know if the four-wheel drive works, so we're gonna go test it out. Well, if I test it out, we're just gonna go put it on a few things and see if it works. But yeah, so stay tuned. All right, folks, this is how I've been getting in the Blazer, because it's so tall. I basically have to grab this handle and I step on the rear tire and I jump on in, and then I gotta reach over and unlock the door.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Has zero flex. The back flexes. Huh? The back flexes, but not the front. told you the back flexes. Do you want me to go? Do you want me to go on that other side? You're gonna break something.
Alright, so I got a little footage of the flex on this thing. We were gonna go climb some rocks down at the my rock place, but there's too many people there and there's cars blocking and I can't get on the rock. So, anyways, if you can hear me over all this rattling, this thing just rattles like crazy, but it's expected. Well, the Suburban doesn't rattle like this. The Suburban is cush. So, suspension wise, whatever these guys are putting on these show trucks or whatnot, it sucks. You want a good suspension, get you some suspension that you're gonna be flexing, rock crawling with. That's the cush stuff. So, you can still have a lifted vehicle and have a really nice ride, like my Suburban. Now I understand why people keep hitting me up and are like, dude, what suspension are you running? Mine is solid as a rock. Because that's what this thing is. It is solid as a rock, and it is just, my wife's over here holding her boobs up. Like, it's just bouncy. So, anyways, if y'all are thinking about buying a vehicle that was lifted with the show truck suspension, don't do it. I don't regret buying this thing, but we're definitely gonna have to figure something out with the suspension, because I don't mind driving it myself, but the passengers, I sat in that back seat one day when Jake was driving it, and holy cow, every bump we hit, I felt like my kidneys were gonna bounce out my whatever. But anyways, so that's it. Whoa, you should have just seen my wife over here. She literally almost bounced out of her shirt. But anyways, so check out this view. That is a beautiful, beautiful view. So anyways, that's it. Smile. It's just a quick little video. I mean, it might be boring, but I just wanted to kind of show I wanted to get on camera so that I could actually see what it looked like going over and flexing. And we did put it in four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive works. However, I still have open diffs in this. I may get a locker for the rear, just to see. I don't know, if y'all can support, like, subscribe, click on some Amazon links, buy some bucked up, help support. We'll definitely get some rear lockers for this thing and possibly some front lockers, and then later on, yeah, stay tuned, because we've got some plans. They're not going to be soon plans, but we got some plans, because after having this and the Suburban next to each other, the crew cab is next. We're going to do, if I can find one, I'd like to put a 12-inch lift on the crew cab, throw some 40s under it, and well, I need to find a 1-ton for that one. But anyways, stay tuned, smile every morning, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful view from inside the Chevy Blazer.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back.